Hello, today I am bringing up a video on health as well because our health is our wealth. It is no other thing than garlic and onion, how we prepare it for tea, the health benefits. Garlic and onion cleanse toxins in our body. Garlic and onion tea is diuretic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory drink that can help to fight the excessive accumulation of fluids and toxins in the body. The high content of sulfur compounds reduces absorption of lipids in the intestine and promotes elimination of fat. In case of women that are saying they are having protruding stomach or tummy after their birth or even before birth, this is one of the best teas you can have on earth. Garlic and onion combined as tea is good, especially in terms of cardiovascular protection, as both release, I have said it before, sulfur compounds which oppose the proliferation of tumor cells and stop development of colon, throat, and even ovarian cancers. It also lowers harmful cholesterol levels in the bloodstream. How do we prepare it as tea? Now, preparation of garlic and onion as tea. You get 3 garlic cloves, organic garlic cloves, 1, 2, 3. You get half of this, half of onions, and 2 glass cups of water. Bring the water to boil, that is, put it in your saucepan, allow it to boil. By then, you must have peeled this and chop it into pieces. Likewise, your garlic, if it is possible, you crush the two and wait. Bring the water to a boil. Then, once the water starts boiling, put it down and add these things you have already crushed and allow it to stay for 15 good minutes. After that, you filter. Your tea is ready. Take it on empty stomach every morning and at night for 14 days and stop. Watch the health benefits of this tea. They are wonderful, very, very wonderful, even in men and in women. Thank you very much, and I pray that God in His infinite mercy will see us through as we are passing through this particular phase of economic hardship in Nigeria. Thank you very much, and God bless.